is, you know.
So
He might have a car waiting for
I
you.
don't know
But
any
he's
other alternatives
still
right now.
got stuff for me to do here, and that's why I'm here. But I'm anxious to get on
okay.
with my next assignment.
Well, have him call me back.
I hope it's as exciting as this.
Okay.
This was a hell of a
Oh,
ride.
you've had a ride.
And you know, I'm so fortunate. I've lost my balance too. That was COVID. I'm so fortunate to be able to do this and see all these different people and things like this. Like I just was at a show in Columbus. 3 different fathers, old men like us, came up with their son and the grandson. And they had the picture of the father, the old man, a young man, with the son in his arms and me holding him beside him.
Oh, cool.
And now here he is with the grandson. The family stays together. They're still in relationship. I swear to God, it brings tears to my eyes.
Yeah, I can imagine.
And for me to have the luxury of still being able to be here and see that,
Yeah.
I just thank God so much for it.
Yeah.
'Cause I mean, that's the real blessing. Not the money, not the property, the notoriety, but to see that generation, because that's what we want, see.
I got 4 generations.